Meanwhile, the folks at the Houston Food Bank are doing their best to keep up with the demand for food as the pandemic takes its economic toll. But what they can really use right now is more volunteers. Ron Trevino explains.
Workers and volunteers stay busy at the West Houston Assistance Ministries Pantry. It's one of the agencies the Houston Food Bank partners with as it distributes food in this pandemic.
They pass by and they say thank you, thank you for your service, and we really appreciate what you're doing, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be able to eat for today.
So many families have been struggling to put food on their tables during these times. And now as August approaches, with the future of unemployment benefits looking cloudy and school about to start, it could be an even more demanding time for the Houston Food Bank.
Well, right now, August is a very undecided month. We don't know how hard August is going to be.
The president of the Houston Food Bank says at one point during this pandemic, it was distributing around 1 million pounds of food a day. Now it's down to around 800,000 pounds a day.
The economy is getting better, and that is ultimately going to be our solution for not having to do as much.
The food bank says right now food supply is not its biggest concern. What it really needs right now is labor. It's been hiring people, but the supply of volunteers has gone way down.
Many corporations, for instance, are not allowing their staff members to volunteer unless they can volunteer from home. Because they feel that people are at enough risk as it is.
The Houston Food Bank has been doing all it can to keep volunteers safe, even renting out more buildings to keep them separated. It's come up with more ways for people to volunteer, because as the need may have gone down a bit, it's still giving out around twice as much food as this time last year. Ron Trevino, KHOU 11 News.